asofo no dodo ana ya adwuma masa ahonhom we
two ni na incubus ana
incubus so that ahonhom no dodo ana asofo ya adwuma mo
okay
but omunim wa ya tons aye ken rababa ya delicandori andaraba obi kura kan won tiase Bible no se mo kan won tiase asaba ile na munya de obachire mu nso and now so for me kura kom e wa so dem but omunim se akom no mo kom azore man zo to no mo yom za
but papa ye hwe tons a okay o say ye what tons and ye what tons enti
tons ho asara me kan
tons
yeah
ye o
yes okay enti what we say ye council ye ntiase fa ya honhom kasa fa ebi ya honhom kasa wose mo ba kasa foforo dia mo ntiase na munya le obachiri what you say enti dodo na akonfo kasa abosoma honhom kasa na boka no mo ntiase so wo so fu gina so de no twa no frede de no se kan jana no twa no frede de wo to wo bia we ni kwa so de na so wo ko bosomo
okay
you need to open your eyes Bible says so how many na we ye hwe be e ebe boy and a lot of people now make us say ahun bibire o wa ye kan e bi kura de abosom na ye adwuma
okay
some of the pastors e bi de abosom na ye adwuma na one thing say my dear so wo de nyame adwuma kan ye adwuma wa ho ha bra wo bebre no e kom de e bete wo no e no ho tie be che wo no
okay
one hwe ya wo be kan wo no aduro one hwe ye kura wo be ja wo be fa ya wo what is over papa sie at times so na mi kom na ya na ye ka ye wie ka
okay
nje ya na akan no atum ye wa ho kura by this time kura time is 3 o'clock on so me body din kura mu studio something terrible can happen
obo ho
yeah 3 abo untimi mo ho din rough sa
okay
but ye dey say ye nimidi enti ye said
okay
what I say ye nimidi
that's it
ye said o kompo anu kura so chia e board kura ye wo honhom a o take over
wow
anything that Christ bra na epo no bo aso say epo asoche yedi there is a power govern a power to me be chat to me be anything that no utimi say Ghana no accident see basa kabosisi ye ka bia to form nipa wu nipa yesinu and now see papa dan parade mo de banti ayesi so for be e kasa or you're very careful so for be e kasa or you're very careful or you're very careful say obehwe say ona no nko yinika okura ni ba betina he kwa hwa abetwetwe mi amama no akọ yinika ni ofi ese dan parade hweme meso me madam parade hweme
okay
me madam parade hweme ga cause many da ho mo de amnia mo pa say ma be kasam na agibum Rollins so ko ya me fa ni credit onu Mr. Boom onu Mr. Boom onu so kura ko enti se me meka boom a no ni boom ba ro he enti se me hwema no kasa yi so what I say ya wonyama bebre ho we don't know and we don't want to know so what I say enti afi we na me ka che Ghana ewiase afa na nyina se yen san yechi ni ye mra Kristo ni ye ba ya kwampone ni na muso ye jaigu yechi a ende pa ene rebe ko 2022 mana yin shira
papa na ye to aso a o say asawo fo no bi ni pebu e yusu ho na be dey na me so a ni ho ni yesu ko bi ko bi onu so yusu e be dey na me hu say hu say and I say I'm being controlled by who
yeah okwa hwe so for na bra bon ne ye
so for na bra bon
yeah you need to see the kind of mind of God original so one shot you get a problem so what I say sunsum nyuma ho na sunsum nyuma na wo so for na ye ama wo no say na tie o de oha bi bejaw ano de amani bejaw me ne me den say chade dan pare abano wama yama biya de na kwan ti asof bebre ne di nkwasi asama etwocha wani ase anka mi ka say nka celebrate for bebre yama hihye wo ye de o want to lie no so asof na be kwa kokuma mu bia na o mu ka bia no asan kokuma na say mu so yema o is so powerful
okay
inti ni ame kan say me say adia ba ko pa na me ka kire bia se nyina say yen san fia kwa mbone so ne sama Kristo nche na onipa biara ohwe me no wo su ni ban bi mistake a wo ye ne no mistake a wo ye ne na no me repeat ne
okay
eno na be ma wo nyame som no wo kwa wo se sofo no gina no kan kwaje asema kire wo wo se san wo hyebere no wa ma wo sua nyansa bi na wo sofo no twa so se wa so jesi na pempem no twa no frede wa o toro wo hwa wo kwaje wo efa ene wo so the friend kwa yo ina to abere what you say it that is most important thing is say you better to ya kwan yi na ya man Kristo aben ya san fi akwan mo ne no Ghana nyina ya san fi akwan mo ne ho na me di Kristo achi
papa wo kasa no ye ko epumu kakra e ma wo kasa epo sumi bi ani epuso epumu
me kasa tumi bi ani ho me si onyankopon tumi so ani
na ma me wata so woni
Some of them cast mamma or tatipum. But for that, I will mean, see mamma or tabada. Sally, I can never win mamma or tamari.
Apa, if you have a pronounce a ocean video beer, as our plays, mammy or sister, or shall know a mamma water. I walk say to need back or problem person between you. The spiritual world. Okay.
What I say? Bible said, now only a palm few sorrow. If you got snap 10. Enuam esu na yemi na se ye drop wo
esu ni se po any lake any
baby ye wonsu bebre
river
ye wonsu bebre okay Revelation chapter 17 verse 1 down what kire adwaman mu nyina hema ni o ma adwaman ba asase so what kire ma o se bititi nsu so ni ade but me kase tumi ni ho me kase tumi wo nsu but say ma me water tipunu mu no me pato da be no mo si ye twa ba se ma water ni company
mo de so mo ni o mo ho
enti e realm of the spirit asem ye ka enye physical talk
some more realm of the spirit
yes enti epuyi wo mo kopu what is say obi akọ ni shema akọ shema ma water ni fiela. So when we are talking now, we shouldn't bring the physical to the spiritual realm, but we rather bring the spiritual things to the physical realm. Niye cheche ni pale ni pantiasi. What does it? Usha kobisa mama na papa se. Ena mo we won huma mo taba wo mu ana. So what does it? Eye nimdia ni peniti no. And ya portray ni say mama water. So what does it? Me ko epoase.
I me ko epoase na me ko hu say
Fuasibe, or called the spiritual world.
The spiritual world, you poor.
Nipa da, nipa crowd da, or spiritual world.
Yeah, called different.
It will be Irano called the different world, the spiritual world.
That is a net as support.
There be.
Apa watch them. There's a name patrol, any mamma or no physical or spiritual.
Thank you.
Okay,
it is so because so. Down a puya from Palawo mini bay. You never you want.
And mamma, I be you or more.
Ebe you want to. Ope.
Okay.
Only bola to Puma or Tadwadi better. Enti mamma or Tana, ye can. And yet the spiritual world.
Okay.
What does it? Same from my boy, you.
There be
you from Bible says above for him from. So that's it. So when we are talking about the nature, I am from Anna, you feel it at your body.
Okay.
And you soon myself. Sunny, I am. Who check my GPS from the fear? Not in myself, I may pay him at one year, a bus. So when we are talking about the realm of the spirit, Nipa be at our call the realm of the spirit, or crave few Nipa be a quarter the realm of the spirit.
Okay.
Emane ekọ treks na wonyama sa kuro no wo be hia nipa bibiri wo what ma say enti ye kire nipa ma nipa hu se mete wo no hu bi ti mu etimi tukwan ye fa we enko the realm of the spirit ye de okra na ede and ekọ
okay
so what I say enti obi se me hu mama wota me so mama wota me worship of mama wota wo won physical da eye sunsuma se na ye nim ntino na yamanyama ye totna sa na ne we yesofo na ate ahaban yeso ye odinsi ne we ye konfo we ye say the mindset no a bible sie ni bia na ba ne fa ne ha ansa yade no ye wira fie no and ye condemn no eso ne I can boldly tell you say nature me start to nature a lot of people are bringing it out
Okay.
And it's helping people.
Okay.
Saa na just yet me hu nyama pa. Wo insurance wa wo. What is it? I don't know because I say you see insure wari obi na na wari insure no motia kratipum motia so ti insure no. Look at the soft wicked mind. Unimwa unim motia what insure because Bible ni say I be kotna abutem no wote wo ba mi fi opepo bi so wo be kono monan kan na ho deep forest nti o monan no wo ti abo no adrop go eso sa ni pe kire say o mo tin show because of oni idea bia wo need the best idea bia instead say eso sua no o sua but rather putting a wrong message to people. So what I say asase na musu so nyame ma woni abo se camp bebre odu a camp we wa na wona mko he provided by say over stop obi to not do his own thing obama yare aya na mta hwe pa bebre mu so mo na no mu didi na bi wi aburo you wrong.
Okay.
And you totally wrong. You wa wo mo mpa bian cent you wa mo mpa mo janko a it is a wonnim na se wonnam na wo didi in public or the yare ever too any friends say compo your friend compo
water.
Thank you nobody amount if you are nobody try yare nobody amount e try yare yen nyina na aba for dem e ya honhom mo na mo baby e tsa baby am station we anya area has school junction betima say eye ahonhom camp what I say eye ahonhom camp na camp no ye didi mfa ntwemu ho ya num so nyina ontum ya nwun so ho if you able to do that what committee offense
Okay.
Sani ya papa da mpare ba osa sofo mo menyense na mitumi ne montana so due na tesi amanyama aye kama. So let's speak the reality to people. No mo say certain things we shouldn't do it. Yeah, ma me bitimi na msia no pato ebroni katie no to koso no achente se bo. Obi senti bia na obi ape. Obi pespre obi pespre. Obi want me spray bi kunu ho na ho bi di na chi because ne senti no no.
Okay.
What dey say? No wa fa no so no wa betena. Ijuba da be su da e bia na okra na obi ni da. Enya fresh we no obi ni da. Se fresh no ba no be se opa ka wo mpene. Nti anadwe na wada no spray na odi gu ho ade koda no ba ba twi bomume ono ba twi mpene mu oden e wo wo mpam owia no asore ko ade china sa yusu spray na no asaba wo se na spirit bi ni me da na sofu bia ka chese yusu bi na aware. Enso eye spray na wo yusu no sent na di gu ho no e ma mo a lot of sprays amudi gu ho na ba ma hu mkra no ntimi kudu no e wa mo eyelashes bi amoka na obema hu mukura bakase wa hu heaven ezo bi ameka kroba no ni sabi oni ni huni what I say e spray no yewo a lot of deodorant bi wa use wia etwe mema sa na twe ahonhom yewo ahonhom bi wa use spray na kan ho wia bo tena pesa be bo ahonhom bi di so what I say because we are talking to public what I say obi obesisi no wa say wa piano no fogu ne wa use spray se be hu na be attract ne ahonhom so wa attract
no
it would do saka for no e mema ono hwe ye was spirit wo honhom omo titi na tise omo nya motia omo ye normal woman bi say ya beto mo wa no mutimi bebre omo nwi papa ye ka ahonhom mu omo ne the first people mo nwi
okay
etwi fam omo per sex
to say pomo agro
what is on pempem agro more how many people know that
no one
enti wonam na wa bonwi go tititintin ye honhom bi e de fe wo do be fi so ya ma be ma ye honhom bi e de fe enwi ne butu so e honhom bi dia eni image of the tunu so an ho fe okay kind of chapter 17 be ho so ba
okay
what you say o ti sare re no ho fe no so no ma ahemfu nyina gba dwama to fom enti je wo camp bi wo ha wudu a ga de be ma untimi yi wata de fe mu kon sa bo se ye be ku ni pedua so what I say ye oba bi wanti na ko Arab country ma ye se oba nanim ko na be hu what do ho mara no Ghana so ye ba de ma yo mo se do so ketekete na mo yi am aware attractive I mean you I will pull you down Ghana for my one try no no wa hye bi no da tete to papi na utumi wo sesrei wasra wo manai no menga no gana mawa de mu bi obu mu ti se garnish mo garnish aduane so
say garnish na yefe
mo garnish Ghana iti bebe bia abọ my 10 times a day
so say na yefe na
bebe bia abọ my 10 times a day je wi abọ so bebe bia hu ade wi no garnish na mo na ntwi pege na kabo krada munu feel so ejina gidi sa na wo so na me confused so that's it but to me fasade in ko Arab country
okay
ibe si obokum so that's it sana Arab country zuni ba so ba why no say sister democracy no ni aba na modern world ni won Ghana ma be duna na ye ho sa kolobe ni ye mpaw so that's it e wi abokra de butu no first ye ni man muslim ifo say o mo dress kama e no nyina de ho agi eh no do haji be ba kura Mariam why we need Jesus papi they tujire dem say eh the Muslim ni ba ba die so that say
time na ye be
enti na me ka say yes nyame kwatenten 31st watch night be say odi for me to nsafro bibia eh Ablekuma Agape God's Revelation Ministry odi for me no ka say see what you best start 7 o'clock na ya pon 12 no be antimi ko rest nyakopon obeba o ma so a ma nneno ye no nyasema nyamam say come back return back to God na ye sha so 7 12 o'clock ya pon ye mpe na ye ba na yellow candle night night
say be so candle
yellow na ni minis no ho eno de ye frɛ bosom so say mo ma metama ka fasa be kan wa eno de ye be frɛ bosom no let's see a new year and new light. Okay. So what I say, a high be better so. Na sa high ni muno. A hona last year Bosumini and take a toy so sa more than 1 hour. Every year in every and which is and quania one day. It must have send wo basa ebino because soon some memetia see until no any yen na yes sayaba Christo say na ya so ye high no na ya frɛ high no na high no toy so a enye mu nkomedefo adwenbone ne nkwahye bia ye mfa 2022 okay ye mpe ho because 2022 na le kufado abreu oluba be se so to be figure na kunwa so kofie se proma me do ara so twunkura kase ho dwe ho me na ka cho o twuzo ni me kase ana Jubilee House azane bro Jubilee House onye da open ni jeda because nya ono aga na ho dia WhatsApp no na dia support no ofiri mu fia enti no bi bia na eye osi wa Ablekuma Pentecost Junction cross the road rough road aye twa so motofo wo se meko God's Revelation Ministry asori na wo William Street Kinke Junction wona asori na wo odifo antwi da no me pacho o ba so afrem na mo 0543 419160 just call me and I'll be available for you. Na me pacho night na enyum to be koso the sunsu me ma be call paibo be koso na empaba the belly din papa dey so for you ma obetina pai mu from 7 a jabe to fio ne be mo so nso e dey dance say go so blessing me say my baba on pai ya mfam pai na aboro na no na ye kasa kalo ai attention TV for me twa ebi ni mo twitwitwi omo ho nwa yo mo ho caricature 35 nwa mo caricature onyame be hu omo onyame be hu attention TV for workers na mu efu onyame be hu omo onyame etu ya nkom no ma enkwate Yesu ama me pacho new year new blessings new favor. The only thing you can receive this is that drop the bad things and come back to Jesus.
Amen. And if one time so beside the end of the year, you bad move, and you sharper, you better say, that's so over here.
Yes, better.
I was your first name, big and kind, and I'm changing my boss, or for Michael. I will Pantanai, a business to me, any Acosias purpose, and then I had any business. Me did say, we'll see, and Papa ye. Oh, home, I will dry your war, I will be a see more as see. Attention TV, I will be a prosperous new year, and send up Bacayano. Say, Yamia Badia, na 2022, and Pantanai so ebisa, and that's so a war. Yama, when it's here, that's Papa.